Hi everyone, today we have Huawei Pura80Pro and this time we have the 1TB and red color. Okay, so next I'm going to show you what's inside the box and the performance of the device. So this is a 60GB RAM plus 1TB ROM, red color, Huawei Pura80Pro Plus. And next I'm going to unbox it. Okay, now now here is a smartphone, and it's the classical Huawei Pura design, and we can find the triple rail camera system. And before we check the device, okay, let's check the stuff under the smartphone. Okay, so here is another box. Yes, this is the SIM card ejector, and okay, this is a normal SIM card ejector. Let's check what's inside of this box. Okay, so nothing left. Here is the stuff inside. So okay, transparent case, plastic case, and also quick guide about the device. Okay, nothing special, just the quick introduction about the device, and also it's a warranty card. So this is the transparent case. I will say it's just the normal case, and it's kind of cheaper, but okay, it's customized for the device. And under the case, this box is a cable. For this time, the Huawei Pura80Pro Plus, they used a 5700 mAh battery with 100 watt capable fast charging, 80 watt wireless fast charging, and 18 watt reverse charging. And this is the charger, 100 watt, and the Type-C to Type-C cable to provide. Yes, so this is the charger. Let's put it back. And this is the cable. It's a Type-C to Type-C cable. Yes, let's get it out, check it. Yes, this is Type-C. Yes, Type-C to Type-C. So this time they have a big battery, 5700, but the thickness is just 8.3 millimeters, and the weight they controlled at 219 grams. So okay, so after we checked all the stuff inside, next is a smartphone. Whoa, shining glossy back panel, red color, and a triangle rear camera system. Yes, let's check from this side. And it's a curved metal frame. It's a curved screen, micro curved screen, and also Type-C charger. This time the lens is 163 millimeters and the width 76.1 millimeters. And it's kind of shining red, glaze red, and have four colors: white, light green, white, and red. And this time we have the red, and one of the favorite color. So next we can go to settings to check more information about the device. And yes, so this is the certification. At this time they used a Kirin9020 enhanced processor and a 6.8-inch OLED micro curved screen, display resolution 2848 by 1276 FHD plus, and PPI 460. And they support 120 Hz refresh rate maximum, and also supported high frequency PWM 1440 Hz, and also this time use the second generation Kunlun Glass. So it's giving more durable and anti-scratch, anti-drop. Yes, and the battery, as I mentioned, 5700 big battery, and yes, cover screen and tilt, and also the curved frame. And this is a camera, triple camera system, main 150 megapixel, 1 inch f1.6 aperture OIS supported main camera, and 48 megapixel wide angle, 48 megapixel macro f2.1 OIS supported, and also is a 4x zoom, optical zoom, and the wide angle 40 megapixel f2.2, the front camera 30 megapixel, and also the rear have assistant camera 1.5 megapixel, home from original color sensor, so you can get better original colors. And also next, let's try to test the zoom and also the camera functions. And this maximum support 100 times zoom and or 4K video recording. And now I'm going to show you the different mode of the camera: photo, night, portrait. Yes, and also the video. This is the zoom, maximum 100 times zoom, so you can check the performance. Okay, there's a ship cargo really far away from me, I think around 1 to 2 kilometers, but if we use the zoom, we can still get some details. Yes, I will put some pictures at the end of the video so you can check it at the end of the video. And besides, this device is also a dual satellite for Beidou and Tiantong. For Beidou, you can get dual message, and Tiantong you get talking, and also it has the Lingxi second generation Lingxi signal technology. And macro, this is macro, yeah. And also this time use the HarmonyOS 5.1 macro. Okay, we can test the macro. Yeah, more. There's a light HD panorama, slow motion. Okay, I think it's not at night and traffic. When you have traffic, I test this is better. I just show you how to use it. Okay. Okay, I think I can stop it. Now it's not night, and okay, the former it's not night and not so many cars, so it's. But this I think is very nice for the traffic, and when you get traffic and night, and also when you have fireworks. This is a very nice features to as when you use this phone. Yes. Okay, night painting, not the best time to test it. I'm just show you the powerful of the camera. And pro mode, you can adjust the ISO, the portrait, snapshot, and this you can adjust the beauty mode, grade, and also adjust your okay, very powerful lips, nose, here. You can adjust it, and also this for portrait mode. It's a 13 megapixel portrait mode. Okay. And for the front camera, also remind me that this time for the face unlock use the 2D solutions. It's not a 3D solution. So for the dark, it's not so good to unlock it. Yes, I think this one should be another thing should be approved. Here's a video support. Also for the video, front 2x zoom. Yeah, smooth. Okay, so let's go to the real cameras, also the video. And yes, 20 times for the video. Whoa. Oh, it's very powerful, and we can find the cars is moving, and it actually is far away from me, and the glass, the storms, and the signal, the light. Yes, we can check it. Actually, we can get it. This is the video. And yes, 30 FPS, 60 FPS. Here is the resolution you can choose for the video recording. And it's a full display screen, full screen display, very amazing display performance, especially when we use the curved screen. It's nice. So this is very quick unboxing and quick look and camera test about the device from Huawei Pura80Pro Plus. And thanks for watching. Let's end the video for more catch up on here. Enjoy some sample pictures. Bye bye.